O Cine Set está na Mostra Internacional de Cinema de São Paulo com a Camila Henriques. E lá ela entrevistou o diretor japonês Takeru Okazi. Ele comandou o drama Conduzindo Seus Pássaros, filme que traz a história de um produtor musical em crise criativa, que se permite então abrir um pouquinho mais a cabeça dele, escutar mais os sons da natureza, aqueles barulhos que o incomodam, como por exemplo o ronco da irmã. E nessa história o horizonte dele se expande muito mais. Uma curiosidade é que o ator Satoshi Inagawa, que é o protagonista do filme, ele é filho de pais surdos e trouxe um pouquinho dessa experiência para a história. Afinal de contas, a irmã, essa que ronca bastante, ela é surda. E aí você tem esse paralelo e que lembra também um pouquinho o que a gente viu em Coda, ganhador do Oscar 2022, que tinha uma protagonista que era ouvinte enquanto a família toda era surda. Vamos então conferir a entrevista que a Camila Henriques fez com o Takeru Okazi, direto da Mostra Internacional de Cinema de São Paulo.
This is about sound, and this is a story about the musician get into slump and just get out from it. So I thought if there is sound, music in the film, soundtrack in film, I felt like, hey, where's the sound? Oh, the sound is there. So I wanted to separate it from my story, and I wanted to use the natural sound in a film, but I wanted to make a story more compact, and I wanted to make strong image of film. So that's why I used the music in the beginning and the end.
He's creating the music.
Yes,
we
exactly.
Hear the music that he makes.
Yes, only he makes.
And I wanna hear you. What were your influences? Who are the filmmakers that
I got
nurturing you?
Yes, my masterpiece filmmaker is Jim Jarmusch, Mr. Jim Jarmusch. He's my best teacher, and I wanted to, in the film there's just 3 persons in the film. Not in the end, but we have 3 people in the shots, and that's maybe I got influenced by Strangers in Paradise, and also I always got strong brave from Ozu films. He has strong character. He has own color. I mean,
imagery.
Yes, imagery. His personality is in the film, so I always got brave from it to express my film, express my image. And also I love Hong Sang-soo.
I thought a lot of Hong Sang-soo watching your movie,
Yeah.
especially the eating scenes.
Eating things. Oh, great!
People eat a lot in this movie.
Yeah. I thought that for me, Hong Sang-soo is not so too much influence for my career, but I learned that how to use time unique. Kiarostami, Apas Kiarostami. His feel that his film is very compact designed, and he makes really naturally, and I think I seems by myself. I seems he's enjoying the what happens in the shooting. So I got impact about the Brazilian audience. They're so warm, and they're so they have strong curiosity to the film, and I think they know Japanese film more than me. I haven't imagined that they told me, they asked me a lot of deep filmmaking of Japanese filmmaking of filmmakers. Maybe they are asking me a lot of filmmakers from Japan, but they knew more than me. So I got impact about that, and for me, I haven't imagined that I can screening in this country when I was writing script. So I feel huge honor, and I had great delighted. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And finally, you
Yes.
chose your team in Brazil already. Corinthians.
Yes,
Great.
yes. So I'm gonna wear the jacket in Japan, and I want to, how to say, make more supporters
Oh,
in
you're gonna
Japan.
spread
Spread the team.
yeah.
Gostou do vídeo? Então curte, compartilhe, claro, se inscreve e ative as notificações aqui do canal. E da onde veio esse material vem muito mais. A partir de agora, vocês vão conferir entrevistas muito legais sobre os principais lançamentos do cinema brasileiro e também internacional. Não perca, a gente se encontra até lá. Tchau.